welcome back. So, today, I always lose my words when I turn this camera on, but, today I'm going to turn myself into Pocahontas. So I'm going to start this series where I do, like, everyday princess looks. I know it's been done before, but it just sounds really fun. So, here we go. I always forget to wet my sponge before I start. Guys, this is Gabby. We've had her for a while. It's my mom's dog. She's pretty. She's not the smartest crayon in the box. She's not the sharpest crayon in the box. Tell him, hey, baby. Gabby. Tell him, hey. Tell everybody, hey. Say hi, guys. Hi. Come here. Say hi, guys. She's not so bright, but she's pretty. Say hi. Hi. Ooh. She is recovering from an injury. There goes the other one. The sweet baby got hit by a car. But that was 3 months ago and she's all better now, isn't that so? Isn't that right? I guess she's had it with the fame for today. She's back. She's very pretty. We call her Wiggle. 'Cause she wiggles. What is it, honey? What you want? Hi, you're not getting my coffee. Hey, sweet baby. Hey. You can see her little tail's crooked where she got hit. It broke her hip bone, her pelvis. But yeah, she's good now. Alright friends, for Pocahontas I need to make sure I highlight the center of my face. Because my face is not square shaped or rectangle shaped like hers is, so. And yeah, I'm just doing something easy. This is like an everyday thing. I am also going to like highlight right in here to make the bridge of my nose a little bit wider. We'll highlight it more. Hi, don't step on my things. I talk to her like I talk to my kindergartners. Oh, much better. Making sure it's all blended in. Now for some contour. Fun fact, y'all, my great-grandma was Cherokee, so it's neat, that's where these bad boys come from, because if you look at a picture of her, you can see I'm just gonna blend this in. That way it just makes the cheekbones look a little more, pronounced. And I usually don't do a C for my contour, but I will today. Just to bring that out a little more. So y'all, I just had the horrific brainchild. This idea that just came in my head. Maybe I should get out my blinds. I thought about going to cosmetology school. Like in the summer. It sounds really fun. Gonna get the sides of my nose. do you see her? She's so pretty. Get the sides of my nose. I'm gonna... I know I just highlighted right here, but... Okay, that looks better. Don't forget under here. I'm gonna have a cut jaw. Gonna blend.
"20 minutes later.
Okay, I'm back. I don't know what they were fussing at, but I got to see who was in my yard. No one was out there. But let's finish this. There we go. There's a nice defined jawline. I think that's all I'm going to contour. Well, actually, I lied. I changed my mind. I'm going to do it just a little bit up here. Just some, like, pre-shadow. Oh, that makes a big difference. Also acts as a little bit of primer, so the eyeshadow will stick. But I don't think I'm going to use a lot of that today. That's okay. Oh, wow. Okay, much better. There we go. So, I'm going to pull out the powder. Just to, set this in. Oh, and I'll use, I'll stick a picture, I tend to put them on this side. Let me see. I'm going to go ahead and put on some eyeliner. I'm not going to use pencil. I don't like the pencil. I don't know why. No, I'm not. I need to put on a little bit of eyeshadow. I don't know what I'm doing. Well, hi, Gabby. Hi, can I help you? Can I help you? What do you see? What is in my makeup? Looks like a fish scale. What is this? I don't know. Just gonna add some color. I'm gonna go back and clean this up, don't worry. I haven't even filled in my brows, y'all. Just using a light color up here. I think I'm going to go back with a little bit of something darker and put in the crease maybe. Oh, that's so much better. Are you tired? I don't know, something about this doesn't look even right now. There we go. Much better. So, now I need to go through my eyebrows because I hadn't done that yet. If you hadn't noticed, I have a lot of eyebrows. Hopefully it stays like that. There we go. I'm not even gelling these down today because, you know, I don't feel like it. Eyeliner. Eyeliner. It's right here. So I'm not going to do too much of a winged liner. Like, I don't want to look too cartoony. Okay. Y'all, I haven't worn non-winged eyeliner in so long. This just looks strange to me. I always mess up right here, right there, right there. I bet it's because of my astigmatism. It's not even in this eye either, it's in this one, so I don't know what's going on. So I'm going to try to put a little bit of pencil liner on my bottom lash line. We'll see how this goes. I tried it yesterday. Did not go well. I feel like I'm too close to the camera. Oh wow. I don't know, y'all. I just don't like the way it looks when I put eyeliner on my bottom lash line. And I don't know why. It's like really heavy. It makes me feel like I'm 30. I'm not 30. But what I am going to do, I'm going to go up underneath my eyes with some yellow concealer because I feel like this brings out my dark circles. So yeah, I'm gonna try that. I didn't put on any under eye brightener, that might be it. Ooh. That looks better. Where did my highlighter? Here it is. Duh. Just like I'm a reverse football player. let's check the big mirror in front of me. There we go. And more dark circles. Okay, friends, I'm gonna put on a little bit of blush. I'm using more of like a bricky kind of color. Is that a word? Bricky? But it's like this. It's the Rocketeer. It's the Rocketeer. I think. It's Benefit. Just gonna swipe on a bit. There is one eyelash. Ooh, I got it. Let's see, and I'm gonna swipe on a little bit of mascara. I'm using my favorite. They don't make it anymore. It's Too Faced Size Queen. But instead of just like going out, I'm gonna go like to the side, like the fan. I'm goopy in the head today. The fanned lashes. That way it's just a little more fun. Ooh, this one's almost dried out. Okay, yeah, I'm tossing this. I'm not using this one today. I lied. I am going to use my Super Fan from Smashbox. I'm impressed. Let's go back to the side. And fan out these corners. This corner just a bit more. Alright, friends. Simple, basic Pocahontas